Hello, welcome to week 9. This week we're starting algebra portion of the book. We're going to work on 1 and 2 step equations, and we're going to solve with rational coefficients, which really what they're saying is we're going to deal with fractions and decimals on the first lesson, which also means we have to go backwards and make sure we understand what fractions and how they work and multiply and when we divide them. The vocabulary is right here: multiplicative inverse, coefficient properties, two-step equation. Multiplicative inverse, that's where you take a fraction like 3/4 and you multiply by its inverse, which would be 4/3. You take the reciprocal of it. It's also the law of reciprocity, so I can throw out a big word. They're going to be encouraged to use their calculator again for certain things, but when we talk about fractions, I'm going to ask them not to use their calculators for the fraction review, but then they can apply it when they work on their problems. Okay, on Monday, we're going to, the learning path always, we're going to review fractions by taking notes and practicing. Intro to algebra using a pair deck. Then they're going to have some skills practice. It's on a separate sheet of paper. They need lined paper, and they need to do it the way I show them in class. There's an ed puzzle also. It's about a 12-13 minute video. What is algebra? Both those are due by Wednesday at 1. So I'm trying to make sure I get the homework, do what we need, and do what we should in class, and try not to overwhelm them. And this should be okay. I think there's 18 problems. I'm going to do 2 of them with them. So there's only 16 problems for them to do, plus watch that video. Then on Wednesday, we're going to do the learning path again, a lesson 2-2 pair deck. We'll clean up any we're going to clean up problems on lesson 2-1 because the lesson for 2 is taking what we learned in 1 and applying it. So some more skills practice. When they get done and leave, then they are going to have a lesson 2-1, 2-2 practice from Alex, which also will be their week 9 quiz. There are 2 different assignments. The practice is due Friday at 2. The quiz is due Sunday at midnight. There'll be a lot of the same problems. The practice might have a little bit more than the quiz. A lot of the same problems, so it'll behoove them to watch it or to get it done. Also, this week is in the grading period, so there's no extensions on anything. If it's not done by Sunday at midnight, it's not done. So it would be best if they got everything done they could. That's all I have for you this week. If you have any questions, please call, email. Email's best. I get back to those right away. The calls, sometimes they might sit there till the end of the day. So let me know, and I will answer any questions that you might have. Thanks. Bye.